Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Nicole from My Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I'm going to go over an Easter design that I'm going to put together for this year's season. And I'm using, it's like not that different from what I usually do, just a slight little change, but it's fun and colorful, and we'll design that here in a minute. Before I get into that, I did want to just show kind of a different take on an Easter design that you can have. Maybe you want it more elegant, less colorful, I guess I would say, and that's what I have put together here. Now, if you saw my Instagram reel, I have not used this Pandora rose bangle in probably years, you guys. Probably been a couple of years. It's in my Stackers jewelry box, and I will show you how bad this was, because it was, I thought I ruined it. And if you know Pandora Rose, it's not like rose gold. It is Pandora's version of putting together rose gold. And I thought, I was like, oh shoot, maybe these don't last that long. But rest assured, with the Pandora cleaner, it made it look like new. So yay. Anyway, this Easter design I do have on a Pandora Rose open bangle, and here you can tell it's just more like spring colors, and you know, that's kind of what Easter time reminds me of. And then we have this little bunny, and he's my honey bunny, but he's not very Eastery, but he's still a bunny, and I feel like a bunny is a really big representation of Easter time. So maybe you don't want to go super colorful, Easter egg crazy, or have like any religious tones to it. This is, I feel, like a very acceptable Easter design. So I'll have this for days where maybe I don't want to be so fun. Not that this isn't fun, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so next we have my go-to Easter charms. I'm going to kind of just slip them on here just so you can see. There's a couple go-to Easter charms, and one is this one. I got this charm in Disneyland, probably a couple years ago when I went during Easter time. This one is Alice in Wonderland themed. You have the white rabbit here, and then you have the hare in the back. And they're bunnies, so it's Easter. It's a pop of Disney, so it's really fun, and I love to use this one at Easter time. It's also very springy, and it will go on any, you know, Alice in Wonderland design that you want, but this one will definitely be used. This guy is an oldie but goodie, and he is an Easter bunny. I don't remember what it's called, but he has this little basket that he's carrying with him. I love the weave detail that you have on this older retired charm. And then he clearly has some Easter eggs in his basket. So he's absolutely going on here. Okay, then we have these dangles, which are the same. I can't remember how I ended up with two. I know I got them on Rue La La. So they were probably like super duper cheap and super affordable. Maybe Presley wanted one, or maybe I just wanted to design with. So these are the little Easter bunny dangles. You have some pink enamel in these veils, and you know, the fun pops of color, little CZs in their eyes. So these will be on here. Something I don't recall adding to an Easter design is something with a religious meaning towards it, which is what Easter is all about. So I took this Bible from my family bracelet, as we are Catholic, and it's like, I'm gonna borrow this for a minute and put it on here. What I actually wanted, and I'll post a picture, is the Pandora Me cross. And I'm not sold that I'm not gonna go get it. Like, I might, but I needed it to not be a dangle. But I love this charm, and I feel like it's probably going to be added to my collection soon. So, you know, I'll probably visit Pandora here in a few and grab that charm. And then last but not least, we are going to use, where'd my other one go? All right, found it. I wanted to roll away from me. I'm going to use these charms just to add to the purple, and again, that springtime feeling that that comes along with the Easter season, and they were sitting on a bar and needed to be designed with. So I'm going to definitely use these, and then I think I might again borrow from another design, because I am trying to not purchase new charms to create designs, and I have plenty to choose from. I think I might go with these Muranos as well. So yeah, we'll borrow these two. By the way, Radiant Heart Charms, you guys, I love them. I know I talked about it in a recent video, but I'm just still a fan, will always be a fan of the Radiant Heart Charms. Alright, we'll set this guy aside. And now we're going to figure out how I want these on here. I'm thinking this guy first, then we'll do Murano, then this. Ooh, let's see. We'll see. What do you guys usually do for Easter? It's actually a pretty quiet holiday for us. Just kind of a me and Presley thing. I already know I'm not going to like the way this is coming out, but let's just finish this design so I can give it a proper assessment. We do like to color eggs. Sometimes we do it with my sister. We'll do that as often as we can. Her kids are growing up, so I don't know. I don't know how long that's going to last for. Okay, so here's what we have so far. I'm not going to close it up because I need something in the center. Something in the center is not vibing with me right now, so I'm going to switch up. What am I going to switch? Let me think. I don't want the Muranos too close to the center. Can you check on something real quick? Okay, so I really wanted to see how I've designed with this in the past, and I do have Muranos right next to it. So you know what? Let's just see what happens when I do that. Probably move these out further. Then the dangle. Murano. Gosh, these shimmery Muranos are so good. I recently bought Pandora's mini Muranos. I was really pleased with those too. Oh gosh, I put something backwards. Yes. Okay, that's what happens when you rush. Okay, so... Oh, I didn't. Everything was just flipped. I don't like my Easter bunnies flipped different. Okay, let's flip these guys back. That way they're facing inwards. Officially close this so I don't drop my design. Okay. So now we have this design. I don't know why the camera's picking up blues here. It is purple, but for some reason the camera's like, nope, we're blue today. Yeah, I think I like this. Give me a sec. Okay, sometimes you just need to put it on to say, is this what I like? And I do. I really like it because the Muranos don't look too close when it's actually like on your wrist. I feel like the dangles are spaced out perfectly. Oops, sorry. My little Labubu collection, you guys. Thank you for bearing with me, by the way, if you did watch any of my Labubu unboxing videos. It's a thing. There's probably going to be more. I'm on a hunt for the secret, but yeah. Okay, this is it. This is my design. So here, just to look side by side, we have two completely different takes on an Easter bracelet design. I love this for if it wants to be more elegant, and this if it wants to be more playful and fun. So there you have it. Now I just need some Easter nails to go with these designs. I feel like actually the Mardi Gras that I'm wearing right now is pretty good with this one, but I do have an Easter Manny in mind, so that'll be coming soon. Anyway, which bracelet design is more your style? Do you like the more elegant look, or do you like the more playful look? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you guys all for watching. See you all next time.